I imagine you guys are probably wondering, why doesn't he tell us what he's doing when he's woodworking? And the reality is that I'm pretty much making things up as I go. Oftentimes, I don't know exactly what I'm doing, and my approach to woodworking is a mixture of common sense, a little bit of creativity, a little bit of math, which usually doesn't work out, and a lot of trial and error. And I'm probably often doing things that are silly, incorrect, and sometimes even unsafe. If you saw my first series, you would know that I picked up most of these skills while building my bust. So this is basically the second time I'm doing it. I'm just figuring things out as I go. So that's my approach. Just keep doing battle with the wood. In the end, doesn't have to be perfect. If it's going to be hidden, if it's going to be exposed, make sure you make it simple so that you can make it perfect, or close to perfect, or just accept that it's imperfect, because it's going to turn out great and you're going to love it. All right, back to work. I haven't gotten to show you guys the birds yet. They're just amazing out here. There's nothing but boat-tail grackles around here today. For me? Thank you, baby.
Enjoy.
Thanks, babe. I basically have to build another wheel well box. It's one of my last days working on this bus for quite a long time. I'll explain more about that later.
The thing you can't do is go on the floor. You guys have lava boots. And that means you can stand and walk in lava.
Alright my friends, so the wheel well boxes are done. It is looking fresh in here. So I gotta cover the chair rail down here in the bathroom, and then I'm gonna be making a really big announcement. So stay tuned, big news coming your way. Well guys, now that this bus is all shelled out and the interior walls are in place, we are actually going to be stepping away from this build for a little while. We've been working on this for about 11 to 12 weeks straight, and it's starting to get too hot here, and we're going to be heading up north very soon. But the main reason we're going there is to deliver our second baby around family. We're from the Philadelphia, New Jersey area, and that's where all of our family is. But we'd like to be able to be around them for the birth of our next child. Especially nice that it's the summer, because we want to be up north where the climate is much more agreeable than southern Florida in the summer. So we're saying goodbye to this build. We will be back in the fall to finish it. But before we go, I do want to tell you what the layout is of this bus, because now that the walls are in place, I can show you where everything's going to go. Starting at the back of the bus, we are going to have something that creates a little bit of storage around the back window and blocks out some of this window. We don't need to have all of this window all the time, and so we're going to be building in front of it and installing blackout and thermal curtains behind it to sort of protect the bedroom from that big heat sink slash cold dump. And in here will of course be a gigantic king bed Right here we have got the closet. It's going to be hang storage, a little bit of storage under here and pull out drawers. And right there is going to be the electric water heater. This will all get insulated. And then all of our plumbing is going to run exposed along this wall. If shower valves leak in the future, it's not buried anywhere. It's just hidden here by the clothing. Right here is Sam's office. Sam works from home on a computer. He's gonna have a really big vertical monitor right here, a seat here, and a bunch of built-in storage for everything he might need. We're gonna have a sliding door made out of 1/2-inch plywood. It's gonna get mounted to this wall with drawer slides, but we're gonna be building another wall just like this, so that you do not see the gap at the top. So on the inside of this will be a similar wall, this one right here. Big luxurious shower right there. And over here will be a composting toilet, a little bit of built-in storage, and a storage cabinet up top. There's going to be matching sliding doors right here. So you can basically slide both these doors shut, create a completely private bathroom. Now over here we are going to have a really big long kitchen. Kitchen counters from here to there. Under counter, 7.3 cubic foot refrigerator. Hey babe.
Hi baby.
How you feeling?
Good. Getting my bathing suit on so we can go swimming because it's pretty hot out.
It's getting hot, babe.
Yeah. Time to go up north.
Yeah. Bit of storage, sink cabinet, and a built-in oven. An electric oven that's only 21 inches. Pretty cool. We're gonna be able to fit that in there. On this side, there's going to be a large 30-inch electrical cabinet which will house all the batteries and the inverter. It's all going to go inside of a 30-inch IKEA cabinet, which is going to be really interesting. And then we have another 18-inch storage cabinet right there. There will be built-ins up top, going from about there to house some of this electrical stuff up top. This will be leaving, but there's going to be DC distribution up there. And there will be a matching one up here for cups and mugs and things like that. Right here is going to be a really comfortable, luxurious dinette. And then there's going to be matching love seat couches that slide out into one big guest bed. Sam and Katie are gonna be doing a bunch of the work. We're gonna be gone for almost 6 months, so they're probably gonna do all the cabinets, probably the bed, maybe the office, maybe the dinette, but they do have work and school to do, so it's gonna be a little bit slower paced. And when I come back, we will finish this bus up. This bus is gonna look dope when we're done. I'm sad to be leaving it, but I'm not gonna be leaving you guys, because when you watch this, we will soon be back here, getting back to work and producing more videos for you.